Still clicking through multiple screens in Oracle Fusion just to reach one task? What if I told you there is a faster way to navigate everything else using one tool, that is Ledger Agent? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most underrated productive features in Oracle Fusion, Ledger Agent. With Ledger Agent, you can quickly navigate to multiple general ledger tasks without going through long navigation paths. This is especially useful for functional consultant and end users working daily in general ledger module. So if you want to save time and work smarter in Oracle Fusion, this video is for you. So let's get started. To enable ledger agents, you have to opt in feature first. To do that, click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, click on actions, click on go to offerings, select financials, click on opt-in features. Under general ledger, click on pencil icon or edit icon under features and make sure you check this flag called Ledger Agent Agentic AI Powered General Ledger Experience. You have to enable this flag and click on Done. Now assign the role called General Enquiry Assistant. To do that, click on Navigator, click on Tools, click on Security Console, click on Users, search for your user, ERPZEN, click on your username, and make sure that you have assigned this role, Ledger Enquiry Assistant, and click on Done. After assigning that role to your user account, you can see one additional tab called Ledger Agent. Click on Navigator. Here you can find this Ledger Agent. Click on this, click on Ledger Agent. Now here select Navigate, click on Ask Ledger Agent, take me to a task page. Under task, search Manage Journal. Now system will take you to Manage Journal page. Hit Send button. Now system has taken you to Manage Journals. Now we will go with Create Journal. Hit Send button to Create Journal page. Now this is Creation Journal page. You can use Ledger Agent to easily navigate across different tasks in Oracle Fusion and improve your efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion practical tips. Also, let me know in the comments what topic should I cover next. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.